Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see who shared your post on their Instagram story. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do first, you're gonna go ahead open your Instagram, and the thing that you have to make sure is this applies to professional account. You're gonna go ahead, so if you have a personal account, what you can do, let's say you have a post, right? Let's say these are your post and someone has shared your post to their story, then the way you can know is it will simply give you a notification regarding, and because they will be, if they have added your username, tagged you, then you will get the notification regarding that, and you will know that that person has shared your post as a story, and you will be able to share it in your account as well. And for the professional account, you're simply gonna go ahead, navigate to the post and click it and tap on three dots on the right post. So simply gonna go ahead, click on your post, tap on this three dot, and then you can go ahead tap on this view story option that will be available once this is professional account, and you can tap on this view story reshares option where it will show you the list of users who has shared your post as a story. That is the way you can know. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.